This one, y-intercept. X is 0. So we can just do what we learned a minute ago. It's going to be -2. But I'll prove it to you. -1/2 multiplied by 0 minus 2 is just 0 minus 2, which is -2. So if you start to see that shortcut, if you start to understand that the constant term is the y-intercept, or the y-coordinate of the y-intercept, you can start using that idea here and on your homework. This is only true though when it's written in slope-intercept form, where y is isolated on one side of the equation. That's mostly what we're going to deal with this year. For the x-intercept, the y value will be 0, the y-coordinate will be 0. So let me rewrite my equation. -1/2 x minus 2, y equals -1/2 x minus 2. If I substitute 0 for y, I get 0 equals -1/2 x minus 2. Add 2 to both sides to remove that constant term from the right side. And I get -2 is equal to -1/2 x. Now the reciprocal of -1/2 is -2. Because if I write it as -2 over 1, do you see that the 2's will cancel? And a negative multiplied by a negative is a positive. I get +1. Remember, reciprocals have a product of 1. And so I have to multiply the left side also by -2. I don't need to show -2 over 1 on the left side because I've got a whole number. I mean, I've got an integer, not a whole number. -2 multiplied by -2 is negative. No, it's not. Slow down. -2 multiplied by -2 is +4. And on the right side, I have -2 over 1 times -1 over 2 is just +1x, which is x. And so the x-intercept is +4, 0. And I either did it wrong on here or on there. I did it wrong on here. I wonder how many of you noticed that I didn't do property of equality here. I should have added 2 to both sides. So -2 times +2 would be -4. Sorry for that error. -4, 0.